Bonjour, mes amis. Just kidding. It's me. Mega Mr. Clay. I almost said the old name of this channel. Holy shit. The hell? The name is in French. That's so sick. I honestly did not really think that. See if we can get that on camera. I guess that'll be the name for the series. Alright, guys. Welcome to Pearl Sciliante. Or the alternate name for this series is Pokemon Shining Pearl, but it's French. I am very excited to play more of this game. First, let's check out our Turtwig and see what we're up against here. So let's check out our Turtwig real quick. Equip, Sack, and Parameter. And then we have Suve Gardner. Now, no. I'd usually turn off autosave, but I have no idea what the hell, how to do that. Sauvegarde automatique. Sauvegarde automatique. Confirm. Oui. Alright. I think I just deactivated it. Equip. Tortipus. Resume. N, number 5. N, 5, I guess. French gal. Plant type. Just gonna have to use my immense game knowledge. Brave nature. I don't know if that's good. Up attack, down speed. That's actually decent, I think. And then that's obviously Overgrow right there. The ability is Overgrow. Look at this cute little French guy. Bonjour. Anyways, let's get into gameplay. Since I'm trying to make my videos a little bit shorter, let me try to bust down on this gameplay here. I'm very excited to see what this different language holds for us. We got a Bidoof. Unkenwa Savage. Kenuotor. That's hilarious, first of all. Chouch. Boom. Oh, I didn't even show the health bar. I was looking at that really awesome animation. I might actually find some French shinies just for fun. Sorry guys, I had to come back after a little bit. It's probably been a couple minutes. I defeated the Bidoof, saved, and now we're ready to continue down the route. Oh, all the trainers somehow. Now Luca is gonna come talk to us. Gald in neutral level. Boom! It's hilarious. Now I have no idea what to nickname my Turtwig. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're new, like, I think I forgot to say that. Just doesn't really matter if you do or don't. Subscribe, as long as you're enjoying the videos. That's all that matters to me. And he's gonna catch a Bidoof. Oh, T-Bloof! T-Bloof! I actually fucking love Piplup. That's what I picked for my original playthrough of Shining Pearl. Oh, my finger's in the way. Original playthrough of Shining Pearl when I first played it. It's great. I love Piplup so much. Down! Run! Why does he have 9 potions only? It's gonna be really weird. There we go. Ah, Pokeballs. Let's go. I don't think it's late enough for Kricketot, but it's okay. There we go. Starly. Et dormi savage. Alright. Let's just throw a Pokeball. I know it said to weaken it first, but normally I just throw Pokeballs. Because normally I just have Quick Balls. Welcome to the team at Dormi. Level 6. Tortepu. Feuillage. I'm gonna have to look up the level up moveset. Just so I know what it is. Another Starly. Let's knock that out for EXP. I don't think I'm gonna end the video until I get a Shinx. Ah! Grass type move. Okay, cool. Charge. Oh, Growl. That's Growl. I don't know if Great Nature's good, because it's like down speed, but it's top physical attack. I tend to think that's okay. And that's really weird for me. I usually get terrible natures for my favorite Pokemon in these games. In any games, basically. I usually get terrible luck. Like in Sword and Shield, I got a weird nature. I got weird nature for my main die. It's weird. Oh, shit. I have to end the video. Alright, well, after I finish this battle, it's the grass. Alright, guys. This is the end of the video. I am going to catch a Shinx next video. Okay? This has been an episode of Shining Pearl, but in French. That is the alternate name for the series. And yeah, I'll see you next time. See ya.